so it will be easy. Okay. Okay. Any doubts now? Yeah, so roles is okay. Like example, in an organization, we'll be given user stories, right? User roles mean? No user stories. Are you talking about Agile methodology? Yeah. Yes. You have to work on the stories. Yes. It depends upon the project page. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay. So if your client is preferring to have Agile methodology, then you'll be having a Kanban board or some Polarian tool. I've worked on that already. So each and every time they will get the requirement from the client. So BA people will make the story. Okay. So they will be checking with the client as well as the developer. What will be the acceptance criteria? Validation criteria. So they will prepare a story and, yeah, if there is a requirement, then definitely you are going to create a role. Okay. Yes, so the collection of IT roles is their business role, correct? Right. And then the entitlement means the single user object, correct? Single user object. Entitlement is an object. Okay. Entitlement is object. Okay. But entitlement means entitlement is a particular application. If I have a Gmail, then I'll be having some entitlement. The moment, I'm going to assign some entitlement to the user. Then user can access Gmail application. Okay. If, for example, I am a user for a cell phone, means Gmail is the entitlement application. Let me show you one more thing, yeah? Let me wait just a minute. So I have admin access. Let's consider admin as an entitlement. Okay. So I have admin entitlement. So whenever I'm going to log in, so it will be look like this. Is it clear? Patrick Johns, Jenkins. Just now, I have resetted the password for which user. Just a minute. I'll show you. So Albert Oates. Patrick Jenkins. Okay. So Patrick Jenkins is a user. I didn't assign any entitlement so far. So I'm going to assign one entitlement now. Let's take an example. I'm going to assign this helpdesk personal entitlement. This is user capabilities, guys. User capability is different. For a demo purpose, I'm showing. Let's consider this as an entitlement. I have assigned this helpdesk personal entitlement for this user, Patrick Jenkins. Okay. Now I'm going to log in. Now it's going to look like you can check. Okay. So log out as SP admin. Now log in as Patrick Jenkins. So I have assigned one particular entitlement. So the moment I have assigned any entitlement, so he has some basic level access right. Home in my work. He doesn't have identity application set up and all. Right? He doesn't have any settings I can ask for. So, based on that entitlement, the application access will be provided. Now let me add some other entitlement for the particular user, like system admin or any other entitlement. Okay. So previously I have a set help that personal. Right now I'm going to assign some policy administrator. So let's consider policy administrator as an entitlement which is designed by Sailpoint. Okay. The Sailpoint client. Someone has designed. Okay, policy administrator is an entitlement. I'm going to assign this entitlement to this Patrick Jenkins, and now he will log in, and he will check that Sailpoint application. So you'll find is an application right. So we will log in. Okay. Now he has more access. Okay, so he has more access in the intelligence and setup. He has different things, only roles and policies. Okay. Are you getting? Are you able to see the differences? So, based on the end time, it will be decide. Okay. So if you guys want me to show the capabilities, how it's going to look like I won't be able to show, but these things will be defined by the application team. So if I'm going to assign this entitlement, and how it's going to look like, that's it. You have an example for an other IT role or business role, for an again one even. Okay, we don't have. I mean, can you come again? You want me to explain one more time? Yes, in IT role and business role only. I understand an entitlement, but next we'll go into roles, IT role and business role. Okay. I'll see. So we have we have a number of entitlements we have to assign. That's our requirement. So to avoid that, we are going to create roles, so we can create business role, IT role. As you said, we have a collection of IT role, and we can combine those IT role, and we can create a business role. So Yesterday we have created a business role, right? Let me open that business role. Okay. So this is the business role. So yesterday we have created name display, name owner, each and everything we have mentioned. Okay. Okay. So let me edit this business role. So in this business role, I can add as many as IT role. It's up to the requirement. Client will say, these are the roles you have to add. Okay, but you can add a number of IT roles. So today I have explained that it's two things. One is required role, one is formatted roles. So required roles will be added as part of the automatically. It will be added whenever we are going to assign any business role. But permitted roles. Here you can add the IT roles, but you have to select from the access request page. Then only it will be added to the user. In both required roles and permitted roles. You can add only IT roles. Let me show you that one as well. So from here, if you want, you can check. You are allowed to add only IT roles. You can check the type. Is it clear? Yes. To open any business role, you are allowed to add only IT roles. Okay. Let me open from the permitted role as well. So just understand the hierarchy from here. Also, you are allowed to access only IT role, not any other role. If you are going to open any IT role, then you can add entitlements. Okay. Inherited means whenever you have to combine, like you want to add some IT roles into business role into organizational role, you can check. Inherited roles. Okay. So let me show one more role. Okay. So this is Google Maps Dev Business role. If I'm going to expand some business role will be there. If I'm going to expand this IT role, so there are two entitlements. The moment I'm going to assign this business role, so I'm going to. User will be getting this IT role as well as this entitlement. Okay. Okay. Thanks.